Hello, a very good morning, students. So, yesterday we have completed the oligosaccharides. So, we will give one more revision here. These are the carbohydrates which on hydrolysis means carbohydrates which on hydrolysis give a definite number of monosaccharides. When they will hydrolyze, they will give some numbers means definite numbers, those numbers which cannot be changed. Means which one it is? Monosaccharides are coming. Fine. Monosaccharides, it is derived in the three types. One is disaccharide. By the name dia only you should know two molecules will present. So these are the carbohydrates which on hydrolysis give two molecules of monosaccharides. Here examples: C12H22O11 sucrose react with the water to form alpha D glucose. We have given the name, okay? Beta D glucose. Next is maltose is react with the water C12H22O11. It form here alpha D glucose and alpha D glucose. Now lactose. Here we have done our sucrose, maltose, lactose react with the water. In the hydrogen, the presence of the hydrogen is there. It form here C6H12O6 with C6H12O6. Beta D glucose, beta D glucose. Understood? In this one both the things formation beta. Now next one we are talking about the trisaccharides. In a trisaccharides, we are the name only we should know three molecules will come in this one. So these are the carbohydrates which on hydrolysis give three molecules of monosaccharides. Now in this one raffinose is there, the new name coming which you have not studied till now. So what is the formula of it? It is C18H32O16 have to react with the water. In the presence of the hydrogen, it form here C6H12O6. What is the C6H12O6? It is a glucose. Means three molecules of glucose formation takes place with this raffinose. Understood, students? Now the next one is tetrasaccharides. One more thing you can see here. Glucose, here from the glucose we are removing the water molecules. When we are removing one atoms of water molecules, it is coming here as a starch. It is C6H10O5. Now in a simple verse, if I would like to say that from the glucose we have to remove the water molecules, one atoms, then it form here a starch. Next is tetrasaccharides. These are the carbohydrates which on hydrolysis give four molecules of monosaccharides. In tetra, it will form here four molecules of monosaccharides. Now you can see they form a four molecules of monosaccharides. C6H12O6, the glucose formation takes place. So here C24H22O21. Fine. This we have taken reacting with three atoms of the water in the presence of the hydrogen gas. It form here four atoms of glucose. Now next is polysaccharides. In a polysaccharides means more number, more than 4. If it is more than 4, then we can say it is a polysaccharides. Okay. So the carbohydrates which on hydrolysis give a large number of monosaccharides, more than 10. Starch, it is coming here. Starch is formula C6H2NO5 which we have studied on this upper side also. Fine. With n atoms of water, it form here NC6H12O6 and N is greater than 10. After this, in your syllabus in the biomolecules carbohydrates topic, first of all they are asking classification, aldose and ketose, monosaccharides they are asking. Then I have given a more lecture to you. I have given monosaccharides also, dia and poly also. Now DL configuration is left here. Now in a DL configuration, what is going to be there? Only a little bit topic I am telling you. What is there? Like here we have make a diagram. The same process we are using here. In between we are putting a mirror. And then we have to write. It means CHO, CHO, CHOH3. Now this OH, when we will see in the mirror, this OH will come first. Like this here we will write HO. Then this thing same we have written. Okay. So you can see here, if OH group is present on right hand side, OH group is present, see here, OH group is present on the right hand side of the second last asymmetrical carbon asymmetrical carbon, this one, then it is called D form and L form. This one said to be the D form and second one said to be the L form and vice versa of it. So here I have tell you in between we have put it a mirror. Like when we putting a mirror in between, then what we will do like this. This thing is shows as mirror. Fine. So it is CHO, CHO, CHOH 3. COH is coming here, in between mirror is putting, then OH will come on this one side and H will go on this one side. Fine. CH2OH, it is said to be the D glucose. It is L means left one, left glucose, left side. L glucose. Understood? In this one OH is on right hand side. You can see here OH is on left hand side. Understood? Now next second example we will take here. Second example is CHO, CH2OH. Now when we put a mirror here, this OH will come here and other things remain same. So it is said to be the D-glyceryl aldehyde and L-glyceryl aldehyde. So till here we will complete it, students. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.